Hey guys, this is a 2016 Honda Odyssey EXL. Clean title, front wheel drive. It's got some good tires on it. Super clean motor. Trying to give you a close look. A few little rock chips on this lower end, and the front end's clean. Nice Bridgestone tires. I'll start it up here for you. $121 on the miles. Backup camera, heated seats, AC's blowing really cold. All your different settings, Bluetooth, cruise control, volume controls, power windows, locks and mirrors. This does have a cool box in here, keeps drinks cool. All your power, auxiliaries. Sunroof on this one. Power. This is your lane departure warning. I can't believe this thing only has 121,000 miles on it. Super clean. You can't find many flaws on it. Your rear heat and AC controls. Power sliding doors. Power lift gate. Looks like you can hook this up to for a tow package. This does have a hitch on the back. Those tires underneath. Super clean Honda Odyssey, clean title again. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.